I'm using my moosoo vacuum cleaner. The last time I used it was years ago. I'm gonna leave the exact time I used my moosoo cleaner and the link in the description as well of what that type is. But it's probably like a 4-year review of the vacuum cleaner. Y'all might wanna stay tuned, man. Y'all already know what to do. Ain't nothing new. Bow. Yeah, this is the moosoo vacuum cleaner right here. And today the review is going to be on durability because like I said, I had it for 3 years. So people that's interested in buying this vacuum cleaner, they'll be able to get an idea of how long it lasts. I had it for a while. I've been using it for a while. And to be honest with you, it's decent. It gets the job done for me at least. You know, so I'm going to walk y'all around and show y'all how the car is looking right now. This is the dirtiness of the car right now, right? So we look at the seat, the driver's seat. This is how the driver's seat is looking. It's junky. As you can see, you probably can see underneath it is a whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of, you know, things that need to get tossed out probably. Now we will make our way to the rear driver's side. That's how the rear driver's side looking. You know, a lot of stuff that, you know, makes the car look junky as usual. Now we're gonna make our way. I mean, y'all basically seen that side. Now go to the, of course, if y'all want a closer view, you can see this area. And then see this area. This is the rear, this is the front passenger side. That's the moosoo cleaner, a closer view of it. I'm gonna start by putting all my seats back. Put my seat back so I can get the vacuum the front properly. Then when I'm vacuuming the back, I'm gonna push the seats all the way up.
Let's go.
Dust my carpets off, of course. I prepped the car the way I wanted to. I'm gonna vacuum the driver's side, just the driver's side, because it's the most, you know, it's the dirtiest side. So I'm gonna get a close up of that, and then I'm gonna come right back to you guys and show y'all the overall appearance of the inside of the vehicle when the vacuuming process is done. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Right? Let's see if it still works good. It's on low right now too. The battery life is about 15 seconds. 15 minutes, I mean. I'm gonna leave the link in the description I'm gonna leave the link to the previous video I did. The first video was more in detail about the battery life of the vacuum cleaner because it was actually tested, you know, and I posted it. But so far, I'll say that this is not good to pick up dust, small little particles. Like, it's not good on carpets, you know, but it's good to just, like, if you want to touch up your vehicle or whatever the case may be. I'm not really done, but I'm basically almost done with this side. So let's go. All right, guys, I basically vacuumed the driver's side. This is probably the best it did. A little dust and particles are still here, as you can see. Hopefully you can see it good. I wouldn't say that it does a great job at picking up dust, but again, I did have the vacuum cleaner for 4 years, so it could be more than 4 years. So what I'm saying is, within due time, the vacuum cleaner doesn't function as good probably, but y'all will have to look at my old video to see how good it functioned before and after. But this is how it looks, the driver's side looks. So we're gonna use the moosoo attachment to try to pick up the little dust that we got here, a little dirt. or whatever the case may be. I realized when the suction is more narrow, it sucks better. Pause. So I'm gonna use the attachment and see if it's any difference. You know. I do probably need soap and water to get it off. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. Soap and water would definitely get it off, but that tool I got, it really doesn't work at all. It doesn't. I can't even lie to you guys. It doesn't work at all. But I'm going to just finish up, and vacuum the best that I could. Hey y'all, let me show y'all the end result. The end result is not immaculate, but it picked up a little dust from the carpet, and I wanted to focus on more on the carpet than the seats. I might just wipe the seats down or whatever the case may be, but I wanted to focus more on the carpet because I want to show y'all how durable the vacuum cleaner is at the end of the day. It's a lot of dust still, but my car do needs carpet cleaning, so I'll keep that in mind too, because I haven't been taking the best care of this car in terms of the interior of it. But from a 1 to 10, I would give it a 6 to a 5. The performance of the vacuum cleaner. But it definitely is an old vacuum cleaner, so keep that in mind. The way the car looks, I really, I think it did an okay job. Definitely not a great job in terms of picking up the dust. But like I said, the dust probably needs the carpet probably needs some scrubbing anyway. So, that's how it's looking. Go to the driver's side. Show you how the driver's side looking. Put the seat all the way back. I already showed this the driver's side. I'm sure you can. We can go to the passenger side. Show you how the passenger side looking. That's how the passenger side looking as well. And here you probably can see underneath. That's how it's looking. Alright guys. Y'all already know what to do. Ain't really nothing new. Alright, peace out. Wow. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification.